Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. As usual, we'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energies, for your career situation and your relationship, guys. So these are for your daily energies, Aries. I'll be picking one card each for your career situation. This is for your career and this is for your relationship, and one card from the oracle guidance. So these oracle cards are guidance, guys. Maybe some questions we have deep in our mind, so that will answer that question, or it may be just a general guidance. So what we need to do to have more peace and happiness in our life today, guys. So let's see what are these card series for your daily energies. It's Queen of Wands in reverse, Nine of Pentacles and Five of Cups in reverse. So with this card, guys, with these cards for your daily energy, you are happy and content today how things are going in your situation. So that success, whatever accomplishments that you have, you feel that sense of gratitude, fulfillment today, happiness, and safe. That security is there in your situation. You feel secure and safe, and you feel that you are appreciating your skills for reaching this success. That is what I see. And maybe for some of you, it may be something in your personal life or in your work situation. Maybe because of the way you do things with that great ability and skill, how you handle your situation. There are people who are really jealous of you. They envy you. They envy your work or the way you work, or they may be trying to deceive you in some ways. They may try to involve you in some in some failure project, something to pull you down. So there are people who are working against you, guys. So you need to be really careful. And maybe for some of you, in your personal life or in your situation today, you may be getting some news, maybe some kind of announcements today. It may be something good for you guys, or it may also be something, maybe some kind of suspensions of projects or something, some kind of delays you may see, or it may be a person coming to visit you from your past. Maybe your past person, your ex, they want to visit you, and they are coming towards you, or they may be sending some emails or some greetings, or it may be a common friend who is trying to patch things between you, bring that understanding, or they may just want to see you to apologize, say sorry, or just meet with you, guys. So that is also the energy here with these cards. Let us see what is the card for your career situation. It's Five of Swords in reverse. So with this card, guys, for your career situation today, you are seeing some kind of stressful situation, guys. Maybe things may not be going as you have expected. There may be you may be seeing some loss in your situation today. but it may be not too much. It may be something minor, just like the previous card what I said, maybe some suspensions or some delays in some approval of some projects or something like that. That is what I see with this card, guys. So you may feel stressed because of certain situations today in your career, guys. So let us see what is the card for your relationship. The Hierophant in reverse. So with that card, guys, for your relationship, you may have a great understanding with this person, guys, and you may be very helpful, caring, and you may respect that person, and you may show too much kindness, and because of that this person may feel that you are weak or you have some kind of weakness. That is the reason you are being too good with this person. So being too good, they may feel that you are weak in some ways, so they see that as your weakness. Maybe for some of you, too much kindness may not be the apt thing, or too much show of love or affection. You may express too much of yourself, so that may make this person think the other way. They may think that you are making them, or you are pushing them towards some kind of decisions with this show of affection. So they may see that as a weak point on your side, guys. So that is what I see with this card. So though you have that understanding with this person, you love them a lot, maybe the way you express love, that may be your weakness, Aries. That is what I see with this card, guys. So for your oracle guidance, time to go. So with this card, guys, the energy for y'all, it may be something, it may be an answer to some questions you have in your mind about some situation, guys, or it may be a guidance for us today, what we need to do today. Maybe in our situation today, there are certain things you feel that you cannot do anything about. You have nothing to do about that situation, or you are unable to do anything about that situation or about that person. So when that happens, it just means that you have to move on with your life and move forward. So maybe in our relationship, when we feel that in this relationship, maybe our service or our love, it may no longer be needed by that other person, or when you feel that you no longer need that other person's love or affection or that caring. So you need to just let go. You need to understand that this journey has come to an end, some kind of conclusion. So this card does not speak about a breakup, guys. It just means that we are moving towards that emotional release. So there is a popular saying like, if you just let go, if you love something, you just need to let it go. If it comes back to you, it means that this connection is meant to be there for you. But if it does not come back to you, it just means that it never was meant for you. That is the reason it is not back. So some kind of ending is there today for you, maybe in your professional life or in your personal life, guys. So if you want something deeper, something more meaningful, this is the time for you to let go of that expectation or want in this connection, guys. The same way in your work situation. Maybe certain projects or business alliances have come to an end, and you don't know what you need to do. But when something ends, something new begins, guys. So again, this is an auspicious card. It denotes some new beginning, some new opportunity that is coming towards us. So again, there is a popular saying, when one door closes, another door opens. So when you are losing one opportunity or offer, something else will replace that. So you need not worry about that. You just have to wait for good things to come towards you at the right time. So that is what I see with this card, Aries, and that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.